Alright, today guys, what I'm going to be doing is putting on an aftermarket steering wheel for a Silverado. First thing you're going to do is pop off the center cap. Be careful of the horn wire. If it ain't detached already, you could break it, and you don't want to do that because it'll make that part no more. Next thing you're going to do is get a 21 and put it on there. That works. We're going to go ahead and take off this bolt. Alright, got the bolt out. You're not going to be able to pull off the steering wheel. It's going to be really tight. What you're going to need to do is go to AutoZone and get you a steering wheel remover. The steering wheel remover is pretty simple to use. You see the two holes in the steering wheel. You're going to find the bolts that are the same size and you're going to put them in. I'll show you in just a second. Alright, now that I know what size bolts I need, put the washers on them. Put this in the middle and screw one of them in at a time. Alright, now that I got that on, slowly tighten this and it'll start pulling the steering wheel off. Alright. Alright, now it should just pull off. Alright. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put the adapter on. Give it a good push, make sure it locks in. Alright. Alright, now that I got that back on, I'm going to go ahead and put the bolt back in. And tighten that shit back on. Alright, now that I got it pretty good tightened, I'm going to go ahead and slide the horn wire back in. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is grab the steering wheel, the horn, this metal piece, put it like this on the steering wheel, pop the horn piece in, line up the holes right there. Be a pain. Alright, I'm going to hook up the horn before I even try to put this fucker on. Alright, now that I get the holes lined up again, I'm going to go ahead and put a bolt through, get that ready. Slightly tighten that one, go ahead and grab another one. Alright, now that I got everything bolted up, the last thing to do is put this little centerpiece on the middle and I should be done. Alright guys, this is the final product. Looking pretty good. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more.